Hey guys, it's JC. Going to do another quick tutorial on using the eGold Prospecting Launchpad that you get access to if you sign up over on the right hand sidebar at egoldprospecting.com. First off, thanks for joining me over there. I like hanging out, talking to prospectors, and helping fellow guys find new places to work. Today we're actually going to be focusing on treasure hunting. Relics, treasure, coins, gold bars. I won't turn any of them down. I'm going to be using some library books in search of Butch Cassidy and the Outlaw Trail. Went through the library, hit a couple of probably 4 or 5 different resources, and was trying to track down Butch Cassidy, who actually hung out and traveled back and forth in my neck of the woods. Anything within 3 hours is neck of the woods out here. But he used to stay in a place called Brown's Park for wintertime, and it had a low elevation, so it had light snowfall and moderate temperatures. But it was 10 miles south of Wyoming. It was crossed into Utah, just east of Utah, and the Green River ran right through the middle of it. So you know what? I know where the Green River is. It flows from up here just south of Jackson Hole down through Sweetwater County and then through Flaming Gorge. That's what's right here. So if you zoom in, and I've already picked up some modern topos for that, but one other quick thing you could do, you can actually hold on one quick second, you can get historic topos and help you look at those as well. This one is one from that same area. This is Uinta Mountain area there in Utah. Well, this is Flaming Gorge coming down in Red Canyon with the Green River, and looky there, there's a Brown's Park shown. This one's from 1885. So you can use that to get your bearings. This is the Colorado-Utah border, and then this is the Wyoming border here across the top. So now we know exactly where to go. If the books that you're using for your resources for historical research aren't detailed enough. So here's the border of Wyoming, Utah, and Colorado. And if we zoom in, we start getting a lot more details. Here's a draw coming down, some springs, there's Antelope Flat. Topo maps are great for giving you the names of places, because just about anywhere you go is going to have a name to it, even if you don't know it. Mountains, what you don't think is a mountain, will have a name to it. And look, we have got Brown's Park right here with the Green River running right through the middle of it. If you scroll around, you can see where some mines have been marked, some prospects. There's a few more prospects. I did a little bit more digging, and these are a lot of copper mines, but you know what's found with copper? Yep, gold. So anyways, I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead down that way. This map is from the 1950s. Most of these maps are from there, but it'll show you the points, different points of interest, and where old cabin sites are. So if you're just relic detecting, as you can see, this is the Callaway Place. You keep coming down, there's the Sterling Place, and that's got a note that it's abandoned. So now a lot of these old places still on private land. So one thing you can do is find the property owner, find the county that you're in, which is relatively easy with Google Earth. You just zoom out a little bit, and you can see this is the Colorado side, so that's Moffett County. So you just go in to Google, type in Moffett County, Colorado, GIS. GIS is Graphical Information Services. Just about any county these days has that, and they can do quick property zoom in for you, tell you who owns that piece of land right now. You can write them a letter and say, hey, You know, I'm interested in history and curious if you would mind if I'd metal detected over there. And anything that I find, I'd be sure to share with you and show you the historical thing, and we can talk about the value of it. There's an old school. There's the 2-bar ranch. But here was something that I found regarding Butch Cassidy. Was Cassidy Point. Now that was a rocky point high above Charlie Krause's cabin on a sandstone ledge protected on 3 sides. Mrs. Krause, living south of the river at the foot of the trail to Cassidy Point, well, guess what? You scroll over this way, back into Utah, and look, there's a Krause Canyon, a spring, Krause Creek, and look, there's an old cabin sitting right there. If you overlay the government land ownership on here, which I can show you how to do in a different tutorial, it's relatively easy, but you can see that most of this is public land except for a section right in here. So I'm thinking that might be something, or maybe it's over here on this point coming out, but I'm going to do some digging around, see what I can find. You know, if you can't find gold, you know, we're buried under snow up here. It's hopefully melting by April, May. In fact, May of last year, I was going through 3-foot drifts, going up 8,500 feet looking for some gold. But anyways, treasure and relic hunting is a possibility for you. So feel free, jump on in, sign up at egoldprospecting.com, get access to all of these resources and all of the tutorials. So get out there, find some gold, make 2013 a great year for you and your family. You know, prospecting is one of the best hobbies around. It challenges your mind while you're doing your research and challenges your body when you're out there in the field. So don't overdo it. Stick within your limits, but get out there, find the gold, have fun. Take care, guys.